Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Global Hemp Group's channel. We're sitting here once again with Kurt, and we have some exciting announcements to jump into. But first off, Kurt, how are you doing today?
I am truly fabulous. Thank you for asking.
Wonderful, wonderful. It's a great day. Glad to have you on. So let's dive into this news announcement, okay? So Global Hemp Group concludes transactions securing control over strategic water infrastructure assets in Colorado. Now, that's a bit of a mouthful. Can you dive into what this means, why people should get excited, and what comes next?
Absolutely. So this is a deal that we've been working on for a while. And essentially what's happening is we are acquiring the super voting preferred shares of Western Sierra. And what we're doing is exchanging them for our preferred shares. Currently, Western Sierra has some debt that is being collateralized by the water assets. And so what we're in the process of doing is securing a senior debt facility for Global Hemp, which will refinance Western Sierra's existing debt, reduce or remove the first lien that's currently attached to it through the debt holders. And we will become the creditor on this. But more importantly, it gives us an opportunity to expand the size of the facility because it's collateralized. And that will give us the funding we need to implement the Colorado Hemp Agro-Industrial Zone. And it will also allow us, as part of the development of the project, we'll start to acquire the land positions that we're looking to do.
All right, Kurt, exciting stuff. So what do you want to then get into and achieve over the next 100 days?
Well, obviously, we're working to close the debt facility, and that will start a cascading effect of the different things that we'll have the ability to achieve. Obviously, we are looking to acquire acreage. We want to immediately get our hemp cultivation license and be able to put a test cultivation in the ground for this year. One of the things that we want to do is have, it's probably 4 or 5 different varieties of hemp to grow, just to see how it reacts in this particular location. You know, there's various nuances to the every location. This one has a little bit of altitude. You know, from the research we've done and looking at the climate and the ongoing how much sun they get and the frost days and so on and so forth, we see no problem growing hemp in this region. As a matter of fact, we're quite confident that we'll be able to grow the varieties that we need to do to produce the amount of herd and fiber that we'll need for the project going forward. So those kind of are the next steps that we are embarking on over the next 100 days.
Wonderful, wonderful, Kurt. Well, great way to kick off Q2 of 2021. Look forward to hearing more. Any last words before we go?
This is a really exciting milestone for the company. We've wanted to work together, Western Sierra and ourselves, over the last several years. This is the beginning of the big picture implementation. And as we implement a number of these steps, we'll obviously have a lot more news to be able to come back and tell you about for you and your listeners. So we look forward to doing that.
Wonderful. Well, thanks for coming on. Thank you, everybody, for listening. You have any questions, shoot them over to me and Kurt. We'll be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Kurt, take it easy.
Have a good day.